Dear students, the next question from work power energy need based question number 25. See the question. A force of 5 Newton is applied on 20 kilogram mass at rest. The work done in the third second is. So that work done, some option is given: 25 divided by 8 joule, 25 divided by 4 joule, 12 joule and 25 joule. So let's discuss this solution. See that. Listen. A force of 5 Newton is applied on 12 kg mass. So the mass of the body, that is m, is given, that is 20 kilogram. Then force applied on the body is, that is F 5 Newton. Therefore they are asking the work done. They are asking the work done in third second. In third second, how much work done? So that is the question. So we know that nth particle displacement, because generally for work done means force into displacement. So we are going to calculate, that is nth particle displacement. So that formula, that is Sn equal to U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. So if you want to use this formula, we need acceleration. So in this question, force is there and mass is there, so easily find the acceleration. So we know the formula, F is equal to ma. Therefore acceleration is equal to F divided by m. F is the force, that is a 5 Newton, divided by mass is 20 kilogram. So 5 by 20 we can write as, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 kilogram, 1 by 4 meter per second squared. Meter per second squared. So this is the acceleration. So acceleration of the body is equal to 1 divided by 4 meter per second squared. So now we can apply in that fifth second displacement formula, that is Sn is equal to U plus, so fifth second, so just instead of n I can write a 5 here. So S5 is equal to U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. So U value, initial velocity is 0, because in the question itself they mention the particle initial at rest. So initial value 0, so plus A by 2, A value 1 by 4. Then 2 is there, divided by 2, so into 2, then 2n minus 1, 2 into n means nth second. So which second? Fifth second. So let's see that. Sorry, in the third second. Question is third second. So 2 into 3, then minus 1. So therefore, so in fifth second displacement is 1 by 8 into 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 by 8 meter. So displacement is ready. So now let's calculate the work done. I can write here. Therefore work done is equal to force into displacement. Therefore work done is equal to force 5 Newton and into displacement. Displacement 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So therefore 5 into 5, 25. So work done is equal to 25 divided by 8 joule. So this is the answer. So this answer is matched within this question, option A. So the answer is A option. Okay students, I hope you understood this question. Thank you.